Well, this is where the sources point out of the software world entirely to answer the question.
Yeah, into physical science.
Yes. Specifically, the legacy of the 20th century astronomer Vera Rubin.
Which is such a cool pivot.
It is. So Vera Rubin's work provides the foundational philosophy for this entire meta-theory. When she was studying galactic rotation, she noticed a massive anomaly.
Right.
The stars on the outer edges of spiral galaxies were orbiting just as fast as the stars near the center.
Which shouldn't happen.
No. Based on the visible mass of those galaxies, that violated the laws of physics. The outer stars should have been moving much slower.
What?
Or they should have been flying off into deep space.
So the consensus, the strong convergence of physics at the time, basically said her data had to be wrong.
Right. The easy thing to do would be to shrug, blame a faulty telescope, and just throw the data away because it didn't fit the textbook.
But she didn't do that.
No, she took the anomaly seriously. She didn't claim to have the immediate answer right. But she exposed a persistent discrepancy and she preserved it.
She just held on to it.
Yeah. And that exact discrepancy eventually supplied the most persuasive early evidence for dark matter. She treated the anomaly as a valuable, isolated signal.
And what makes this really relevant to AI is how this exact epistemic posture is being industrialized right now, right?
Yes.
At the new NSF-DOE Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile, which actually just began its 10-year survey in June 2026.
Right, it's happening right now.
And this observatory is doing something completely different from what we normally think of when we picture a space telescope.
Completely different.
Like, instead of just pointing at a single distant galaxy and taking a gorgeous static photo like the James Webb Telescope does, the Rubin Observatory is continuously surveying the entire southern sky.
Over and over.
Yeah, it's going to revisit each region roughly 800 times over a decade.
Which is just a mind-boggling amount of data.
We are talking about 30 petabytes of data.